Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to tie a bow the right way. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. My first hack is my personal favorite way of tying a bow with extra lengths of ribbon around your waist. First, cross the ribbon as shown. Insert one side around the other side and pull. Make a half bow and twist as shown. While holding this half bow, insert the other side of the ribbon through the knot in the center. Make some minor adjustments, and there you have a beautifully made bow. Here's another way. Again, cross the ribbon and insert one side into the other. This time, fold the ribbon you've pulled out and twist as shown. Fold the leftover ribbon and insert into the center knot you just made. Make some minor adjustments, and there you have it. Here's another different way of tying a bow nice and tight. Cross the ribbon. Fold the upper side twice as shown. Fold the tip of the upper side diagonally. Simply insert and pull the lower side around the bow. Fold the ribbon in half and insert the leftover side through the hole you made behind the bow. Make some minor adjustments, and there you have it. The last hack might seem tricky, but it really is an easy way to make a quick and tight bow around your waist. Cross and tighten the ribbons. Make a bow using the lower side of the ribbon, and place the upper ribbon around and pull through the small space you just made. You will have to use your ring finger to keep the space open, and then pull the ribbon through using your index finger. Make some minor adjustments, and there you have it. That was it for today. You can stick to whichever hack is easier for you. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope that you found today's life hacks on tying bows the right way to be helpful. Please stay safe and stay positive. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos in the future. We really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.